niyo, tuwing wala akong dalang payong saka naambon. Hi guys, nandito na ako. Alam niyo, tuwing wala akong dalang payong saka naambon. Wala kang dalang payong! Kasi nawawala yung payong ko, hindi ko alam kung ito nalagay. Kaya hindi na ako naglagay. Kasi nag-check naman ako ng weather, hindi mauulan. Yan, limbong na.
And you're half asleep and I can count each freckle and see all your beauty that you hide. This ain't usually how you lie. And you said don't you be afraid of when your eyes go ahead. You should be more worried that it'll never begin. So much was life in Hollywood if all your dreams came true. How come every time we talk you act like you're too cool? The city of angels has you entangled in a chimera of a dream. How is life in Hollywood for you? Now the tears roll down your eye. You can't hide all this loneliness inside. So you weep and cry by yourself to sleep at night. Now fear can sweep your mind. What if I'm not too cut out for this life? Oh, I've never seen you act this way. So I came, booked a one-way.
Hi! Ayan.
Was true. Then you said, don't you be afraid of when you're.
All throughout this vlog, you would just see us talking and talking and talking kasi na-miss namin yung isa't isa. Super dalang namin magkita and super dalang din magtagpo yung schedule namin. Kaya we're doing our best to catch up with each other's lives. Lalo na kasi super busy kami dahil third year na rin kami pareho. Dos? WSU? Wala ka na ano. Kahit basta kong sale. After that, niyakag ko siya sa favorite cafe ko. So, I would like her to try my favorite chocolate chip. Ayan. And nagustuhan naman niya. And again, we just talked and talked and talked. And ayun. Ganyan sila. Alam mo, minsan lang hapon, kung isang araw. Or either minsan may sticker sa yung mirror na
Counting shooting stars on the side of my bed. Now your lips tattooed on the side of my neck. Another glass won't kill you, right? Violation replies. You got me running circles inside of my head. Now we're replies like
Kasi pa na yung ako, hindi pa sila
you happen to lay right here with me. We're counting shooting stars on the side of my bed. Names tattooed on the side of my neck. Another glass won't kill you, right? Gladly she replies. You got me running circles inside of my head. Now we're doing everything that I wish you had said. Another glass won't kill you, right? Gladly she replies like
Quality. Sabi ni sa jam mix na ito. Hirap. Kasi pero sa akin, mas nakikita ng quality. Kahit mas matrabaho siya. Kasi hindi siya kasi stressful ng quality. No, kasi may sinasolve ka eh. Kami ngayon, quality ang aming FM. Quality, magsaself. Ang quality namin sa second down building. Would you criticize yourself for your body, for your body image? Kami naman very good is self-confidence. Kami tatlo meron para.
Nagwi-wait lang ako ng van kasi pauwi na ako niyan. And ayun, that's it for this short vlog. Thank you for watching and see you on my next one.